Hey, this is a follow-up from the other day. I posted a video complaining about my issues. And I was looking for advice, and I got great advice, and I appreciate everybody's advice. But this is what I did. I went with the economic way and what I had at the hand. The other ones, I think, were out of my league, so that's why I went with this route. Well, this one's, I don't think I welded this one. It's just a little, I just pounded it. It was just a little one. But as you're coming over, you can see the spot right here. And you can see the pinholes. What I did is I split it down the edge, and I stuck a screwdriver in there and bent it up, and then I welded it back, and then I pounded this down a little bit. Not pounded, tapped it in. So I do have to fill in the pinholes, but we'll take care of that. And that's what I did all the way around. And there's more pinholes. But it worked out. And I just threw some filler primer on there because it's just, you know, rust and all that crap. I plan to strip all this off and paint it two-part epoxy gray as soon as I'm done with these doors. But it worked out, and I'm pretty pleased with it. But the other door is a different story. As you know, I went out and bought one of these dent removal kit. It did work, but it didn't work a whole lot. And what I did is I tried this out. The way I was going to fix it has a little dimple now, just barely right there. But there was a dent right there, so I circled it and I punched it out. And what I did, I came in behind. I know this is a little aggressive. I drilled a hole and I used a little punch and I tapped it out. And then I'm gonna weld in the hole. Hey, it worked. So let me show you what I did. All right, there's the two spots. Let's go ahead and clean it up and see what it looks like. Well, they're not much better. Well, they're a little bit better, but not much. Still, it means I have more work to do on this. I worked on it a little bit more. To me, it looks better because it was pretty dimpled in. Now it's dimpled out, so I can work with that. What I could probably do is heat up the metal and then go around with that. And as you can see up here, I did the same thing. I started using the head of a nail to go in underneath and I just pound it out a little bit. So I'll be able to throw some heat on there, hopefully, and then just tap it down to calm the metal down and see if that works. All right, just got done grinding, as you can see. And this stuff right here, you apply heat to it, it catches fire. I didn't even think about that. It started peeling up and caught fire. But anyways, I don't know if you can, stupid thing. Let's see, but there was the dimple right there and there. I kind of just ground it down a little bit and they're pretty much gone. So that technique of drilling behind, punching it out, using the head of a nail, just tapping it in, it worked out. I'm really happy with results. Once it cools down, it'll throw some gray primer on there, and then you can really see if I did, correct it. But I think I did, and I did some over here. You can see just a little bit, so I'll have to do some more. And then I got one right there, and then I got two here on the end, and then right there. This one I'm going to split, stick a screwdriver in there, and kind of tap it back, or use this and tap it up so it come out flush, and then weld it right back. But it looks good. Or this looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and use this technique all the way around and keep moving forward. I just wanted to do this update on the doors just to let you guys know that I think I've solved my issue and I'm moving forward. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Alien Restomod.